So one of the things that we like to do here at the DDBC is have events. This particular event is a social event. Riedel is a brand that the cooperative, one of the businesses represents, and it's fantastic because it allows us to invite folks that we're bringing in that aren't necessarily coming for real estate or architecture or design or talking about a cabinet or a countertop, and it allows them to be in a really cool environment, talking about wine, talking about glasses, which glass is going to be the best glass for the best wine. And it's a great time, and it brings people in that wouldn't necessarily have come into our business. And what's nice about it is that all the businesses that are a part of the DDBC, the cooperative, are able to invite their sphere of influence as if it's their own event and have a great time.